Salam, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. Today I am sharing with you my low carb eggplant dip recipe. Let's make it. Before adding other ingredients, we cook the eggplant first. Add 1 large diced eggplant, half large chopped onion, 2 chopped tomatoes and 1 chopped green chili over medium-high heat. Add 1 teaspoon salt or to taste. Add half cup water. Stir. Once hot, reduce heat to medium. Cover with a lid and let's steam until tender, about 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Now add half cup peanut butter, half cup desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup rice vinegar. Now add spices, 1½ teaspoon dry roasted cumin powder, 1½ teaspoon dry roasted coriander powder, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red crushed pepper or to taste, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon mustard powder. Add 1 tablespoon monk fruit sweetener or keto honey. Stir. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Cover the lid and reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Serve the dip in a bowl with toasted sesame seeds and sesame oil on top. Enjoy with low carb crackers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.